Hi, we're going to go over the next section, which involves chapter 3. So the first lesson is all about reflections, which is a transformation. So the transformations we're going to go over are reflections, translations, and rotations. The first one is the first vocabulary word is going to be line of reflection. Each point of a pre-image and its corresponding point on the image are the same distance from this line. Typically, a line of reflection is an axis, so we're talking the y-axis or the x-axis. And it's good to know and see it as it translates here. So this one would be a good example of a complete reflection. In the which axis would be the line of reflection, and that's x. X-axis is a line of reflection. Does anyone know what this one would be considered? Is this going to be a reflection, a rotation, or a slide? This one's a rotation. And the last one here is a slide. Pre-image in blue, final image, post-image in green. So rotations, here's reflections. It gets a little tricky when a shape if the shape starts in a quadrant with no part in another quadrant, much easier than if the shape starts and it overlaps a quadrant. Because look at this doesn't make a very simple transformation, reflection, but it works. The easier ones are when they're all in one side or one quadrant, or all on one side of the line of reflection. Next is the second one, the rotations. So we have reflections, we have rotations, and rotations rotate by degrees, not by line of reflection. And there's actually formulas for these. So the first one would be 90% counterclockwise, that's negative yx. And then there's 180. There's 180, which is just negative x, negative y. And then there is counterclockwise 270 or clockwise 90, and that is y negative x. Slides are just slides, they just move over, so we'll go over that more the next time.